Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Tech Basics. In this video, we will be learning how to leave a review on Temu. Leaving a review on Temu is a straightforward process that can be done through your application or website. Here I'm gonna do it on a website, so simply launch open a web browser and then type in temu.com in it. Also make sure that you're logged into your Temu account. After you are inside the main home page, go ahead and navigate to your Orders and Accounts tab at the top right and click on your orders. Now you will be able to open up all of the orders that you've made till date on this page. If you don't see any orders, that is probably because you have not ordered anything from Temu yet. If you've ordered something from Temu, then all of your ordered information will be displayed on the screen. Simply click on one of the orders and then look for a button called Leave a Review. It might be located next to this specific item within the order details. Simply click on Leave a Review and you will be able to rate the product and write a detailed description of your experience. So that is how you will be able to leave a review on Temu in just a couple of steps. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.